Before you watch the video, subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon for notifications. Hi, this is Rakesh. Welcome to AGAA-MATH. Today we are going to learn about how to find the nth term of progression. So we know that the arithmetic progression is about you know that it is 3, 8, 13 and 18 so on. So how do we know that this is an arithmetic progression? Means we know that this is the first term is said to be the A1 and the second term is said to be the A2, right? And the third is said to be the A3, so on it would be. And we can check the difference in between any two consecutive terms. So here if you check the difference, whenever you would like to check the difference, that A2 minus A1 means that's nothing that it is 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So if you add that is plus 5, you would get the next 8. If you add plus 5, you would get the next. If you add plus 5 again, you would get the next. It means always for every term, if we add the difference, we would get the next term. So based on this, let us see how do we find the nth term of progressions, arithmetic progressions, right? So here what I do is I just let's take that this is A, that is the first term. A is nothing but first term, right? And now I would like to add the difference. I would like to add the difference here, so that this is the difference. When I add the difference, let's take that this is the difference. So when you add difference to the first term, then it would become what? A2. So here A2 is nothing that what? That means second term, which is A plus D, right? So what I do is again I add one more D, then one more D was added here. Means what happened? That becomes A3, right? So A3 is nothing that A plus D is how many times? 2 times. So A plus 2D, right? Let's add one more difference then. Here one more difference is taken. So now it becomes what? A4. A4 is nothing that A plus 3D. A plus 3D. Okay, let's take one more difference. So add one more difference now. So what happened? Again plus D. It's nothing that A5, that is what? A plus D is 4 times, right? So that is 4D. So now you observe one thing. A2, which is A plus D, A3, which is A plus 2D, A4, which is A plus 3D, A5, A plus 4D. If you observe carefully here, 4, whenever it is minus 1, 3, 5 minus 1, 4, means this can be written as, A3 can be written as A plus 3 minus 1 of D. So that's nothing that 2D. A4, it's nothing that A plus 4 minus 1 of D, right? So A5, which is equals to A plus 5 minus 1 of D. So whenever you want to know this fifth term, that is 5 minus 1. Fourth term, 4 minus 1. Third term, 3 minus 1. Similarly, whenever you want to know A6, what we do? A plus 6 minus 1 of D, that's nothing that 5D. A7, that is what? A plus 7 minus 1 of D, that is 6D. A nth, so what then? A plus n minus 1 of D, very good, right? So it is n minus 1 of D. So if I would like to find a mth term means what? A plus m minus 1 of d, right? So this is what, very simple. So in general nth term means, in terms of n, we write that a plus n minus 1 of d is the nth term of AP. So whenever they ask you to write the nth term of AP, nth term of arithmetic progression, AP is nothing but arithmetic progression, that is a plus n minus 1 of d. This is the nth term of AP. So nth term is nothing but, in the given sequence it would be the last term, okay, or it based on the question we would like to use this nth term of AP. In the next video we will see how do we use this nth term of AP and how do we apply it. Let us see in the next video. For any questions and queries you have, you can just give us a mail at askagaamath@gmail.com. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.